Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we are going to discuss the topic called the Tuple Relational Calculus. So as of now, relational calculus have two types. One is called Tuple Relational, one called Domain Calculus. We'll discuss today only Tuple Relational Calculus today. So here's of now is one of the non-procedural query language. Like you can say relational algebra, and a query is expressed. How the query is expressed here? It will the help of like this T tens P of T, where T represent the resulting tuples here. More P of T, what is saying? It always known as predicate, and these are the conditions that are used to fetch the T here. Moreover, it generates set of all the tuples T such that predicate P of T is true for that. So this is a constraint we have to follow whenever for non-procedural query language. At last, we see how to write the query also. Whenever SQL query asked, based on this concept, you can answer it. Let's assume that the example data we have table 1 customer data where consists of a customer name, street and city. Like Saurabh name, street name is A7, city is Patiala. Similarly, Ria, street name is A5 and Patiala like that. Branch. Let's assume that the table 2 have list of details like branch name, branch city, ABC, Patiala and so on. And the data like account details, account number, branch name and balance like this. Account number, it's a permanent one for everyone. It will vary for every customer. So triple on table, let's assume that account number is triple on 2 and branch name is DEF and balance is 10,000 like this. On loan, which is highlighted here. Loan is a, so let's assume that loan data consists of a loan number that L33, branch name is ABC and amount 10,000. Similarly, L35, DEF branch name and amount is 15,000 and so on. Then borrower, the table 5 consists of information like customer name with the loan number. Saurabh, the loan number is L33 and so on. Is uniquely identified by the borrower here. At last, they have deposited information like customer name with account number, Saurabh 1111, Mehak 1113 and so on. Now the query asked here. Find the loan number, branch, amount of loans of greater than or equal to 10,000 and above. So here we can write the code like T, tensor, T, blanks, blanks, loan, intersection, T of amount greater than or equal to 10,000. So this is the query we are going to input here. Once you give the input as query, at last we will get the answer like this. Loan number, branch name and amount that is greater than or equal to 10,000. So L33 loan number, branch name is ABC 10,000 and another person L35 that represent who means here is there. So L35 here, if you go back, we can get the data here. So like this, you can go and check it. So like this, you can predict it easily. So L35 branch name is DF and here L33 name loan borrower name is Saurabh. Plus we can get the result like L98 branch name DF and 65,000 like that. So I hope that you understand this concept of tuple calculus. I told the simple way. If you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.